Hey guys, friends, from my early childhood, I was always amused, I was always fascinated with these chopsticks, and I was really amazed at how these people eat, like Koreans and Japanese people use these chopsticks. So I learned how to use them, and now I can eat anything with the help of chopsticks. Do you also want to learn this? So please stay tuned till the end of the video. Friends, these are the chopsticks which I was using. So these are wooden chopsticks. Why they are called wooden chopsticks? Because they are made out of wood, and they are also called one-time use chopsticks or temporary chopsticks because you are supposed to use these chopsticks, eat with it, and then throw it away. So I was having a pack of five. So this is the second set of chopsticks in that pack of five. I am just first telling you that how you have to identify that which end of the chopstick I have to use to eat food. So I'm taking one chopstick. First observe both the ends, this one and this one. The end which is thinner is used for picking up food. This is the first method to find out that which end has to be used to eat food. The other way is one end will have design, like this is not having any design, but yeah, it is painted red, so it means that this end is not for picking up food. So now you know that which end is for picking up food and which is not for the purpose. Then friends, what you have to do is, if you are right handed, you use your right hand often, then take your right hand. If you use your left hand often, then take your left hand. And then take one chopstick, place it over your finger like this, and then place your thumb over it like this. Take the other chopstick, place it between these two fingers, and cover this chopstick also with your thumb like this, friends. Then consider this tabletop to be my plate, friends. Consider this to be my this tabletop to be my plate. I will level my chopstick first, like this. It is important to level your chopstick, friends. After leveling my chopstick, it will look like this. It will look like this. Then what I will do is I will practice for a week to bring this chopstick to closer to this one, like this. I will practice for a week or maybe 2 weeks, but I have to practice it, friends, because if I don't know that how to bring this in closer to this, if I do not have good practice, then I will not be able to pick up food with the help of this. Is a technique to pick up food. If like open it wide, then try to pick up your food and then bring it near your mouth and eat it. So like this, you have to practice for 2 weeks and then you can surely eat with the help of your chopsticks. Now friends, let me quickly tell you that how can you pick up food with the help of chopsticks. Friends, I've told you how can you practice with the help of chopsticks. First align them, then try to bring this one closer to this one and practice it for a week maybe. Then you can just try to use these chopsticks to pick up food. Like over here I am having boiled corns, so with the help of my chopstick I can easily pick up a corn. It got slipped, sorry, but I can easily pick up a corn and eat it. So you can see, friends, I'm also not a pro. I have also learned just an year back and now I'm telling. So it is getting slipped by me also, like this one. So for this, friends, you can learn anything with the help of practice. Let me show you, keep it aside and show you once again how I am holding the chopsticks. There are a number of ways. There are a number of ways, friends, to hold chopsticks, but this one is one of the easiest way. So now, friends, you know that how to use chopsticks, how to hold chopsticks, why are these chopsticks called temporary chopsticks, and you also know how to pick up food with the help of chopsticks. I hope that you liked this video and now you can enjoy your favorite food item with the help of chopsticks. It may be chow mein or Maggi, or maybe you enjoy eating corns, so now you can use chopsticks to eat any of your favorite food item. Friends, I hope that this video was quite helpful for you guys, and if it was, please do like this video. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and see our previous videos, and Please do comment down also that which video friends do you want next. I will bring many exciting videos. Till then, goodbye.